Hello friends, welcome to Arshit SBN. Friends, today we are going to see BHEL latest update that Concur place development order with BHEL for made in India containers. Friends, due to huge demand in containers, already we seen that shortage of containers and going further increase in frontage charges also. And friends, today with this announcement, BHEL already came in focus with government announcement of electrification. That means railway electrification. Somewhat diesel engines are still existing, but government announced they're gonna be replaced with electrical engines. So BHEL manufactured electrical engines, and government announcement of customs duty increase for solar inverters from 15 to 25%. I think that is also will benefit for BHEL. So friends, with this Royal pictures for Rally's production unit to be used for making containers. Container Corporation of India has given development order to BHEL for 1,000 containers each, with 2,000 containers expected for these two sources. Concur is looking for source within the India to buy the remaining requirement. So friends, with this we are expecting that these share will rise BHEL. And earlier Concur import containers from China through global tender earlier. Concur has discovered that the locally made containers were priced about by 25%. So each box costs 2.5 lakhs. Concur MD says in a virtual conference on Friday, Concur BHEL can work as a team to make India a destination for making containers. So Railway Minister Piyush Goyal said earlier in the day, the container shortage with boxes are made in India. This is what I mentioned earlier. And sheds of Indian Railway coach factories could also use it for making containers apart for public enterprises like Braithwaite and Company Limited and BHEL. So supplying for these two companies, BHEL manufacturing 1,000 containers. Usually containers are made in China. Post COVID, with the supply chain disruptor, there was a container shortage faced by India and many other countries globally. So friends, this is an opportunity that if BHEL manufactures more number of containers, the revenue will exponentially increase for BHEL if it got global orders for containers. So Concur, which needs about 8,000 containers every year for domestic use in the country, expects the demand to stay for next 5 years. Why? Because friends, online payments and sorry online 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 shoppings and transport of goods which gives good business for Container Corporation of India. In last 3 years, Container Corporation of India had ordered 23,000 containers, said Raman. I think he is the CEO of that company. And Piyush Goyal also said India should look at mandate all containers within the country to be GPS enabled so that they can be tracked. It's also a good idea. And later Concur in a statement, major steel players like SAIL, Tata Steel and Jindal Steel confirmed availability of required better grade steel. So with this, Indian manufacturers companies like BHEL, Braithwaite and DCM Hyundai, Hindustan Vacuum, intimated that technology required to manufacture these containers was available with them. So with this, friends, I am going to say is that BHEL share will get a good demand going further. Still we have chance to enter in BHEL. So friends, this is my view on BHEL. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, share my channel friends. Thank you.